Hi and welcome back to a brand new video. Here we're talking about my controllers here, and I know a few of you would like to know how this all works well together and seamlessly together. My setup is I've got an M1 Max, so Max Studio over there, which is got 32 gig, and it works absolutely seamlessly with what I got installed. I don't have massive sessions, but I mean I do go up to about 100 tracks sometimes with loads of plugins, and they work great. And so here I got the Nectar CS12. I got 3 grid Intec grid controllers. So I got the one for the, like I can control here my scrolling. This one controls the clip level, and then I got shortcuts here. I got them all noted out. You can see them here on the screen. I've got them for memory's sake. I kind of know them by heart now. I've got my markers here. All the 10 markers are shortcuts as well, and so that's really good. I mean, I've done videos of how that's set up. And then I've got the Softtube channel, Softtube Console 1 Mark III channel, and the Mark III fader, which are seamlessly beautiful. And I've got myself a little machine micro, the latest one, which is fantastic for doing drums and stuff like that. So yeah, how does it all work together? Well, it works great because as you can see here on the if I select the bass here, this would all follow. This bass follows there, and there. And surprisingly enough, if I bring up the actual Console 1 plugin here, you can control it with the Nectar. It comes up, right? So it comes up on the Nectar as well. So that is just crazy shit, man. You know what I mean? And I can bring up here, you know, with the plugin control button here. So it all kind of works together great. And then if I go over to like my piano solo here, then I bring up a console there if I want, but I've also got the IDX Intelligent Dynamics from Waves, which is a really great plugin, and I use that on some stuff as well. And I can control that here. Obviously, it all comes up, and I can control that on there. So that's great for third-party plugins and stuff that is not included with the Softtube. So I've got all my UAD and stuff like that. I can control directly there, and it is pretty amazing. I mean, you know, if I just like hit the bass again, you'll see it follows there. You'll see everything just follows. I'll just take that off, and then if I move here, you can see just moving along there, just moves perfectly. And you see over here as well, if I change the volume here, that changes there at the same time. Now, obviously, if I use solo, everything goes on solo. If I want to solo loads of tracks, I can do that directly from here, just soloing several tracks at the same time, which is brilliant. Now, if I want to take them off, I just go shift solo and they all come off. So it all kind of is all integrated and works really good. And so the solo button, I think you can do that with the you can do that here as well. If you just press on, I think it's shift solo, you can take them off again. But anyway, I use that because I'm used to it. And there's certain stuff that I find, for example, the sends on here are fantastic. It's so easy, the sends. This you have to kind of toggle the sends on and off, which I don't use the sends on there direct unless I want to use loads of sends at the same time. I can do it there, but if not, I just got more here. You know, if I go on here, you can see straight away I insert a send here, say bus. I'll just do any send here, right? And then, as you can see, the send will come up. If I go here, it comes up here straight away, and then I can just go straight on and do the send straight away there from here. Here, if I go back to this here, you can see that you know the actual this section here, I can start cutting the bass and stuff. This is so powerful. I've got the Wise Gambit on here, and you know, you got the compressor. I've got the EQ and the stuff, and it's just it's so nice to work with. It's so nice to work with. It's so seamless. And then this I've got on the machine. I've also got a transport here, which is linked up. I've programmed it so I can play from here as well. So transport here. Now this hasn't got transport, so if I want to put a plugin on, say the bass, I just go search plugin here. I've got it programmed to number 1, and then I can just put in the plugin that I want, which is, you know, really cool. Insert a silence, I can do it straight here. I've got a, if I want to turn on automation, I can do it straight from here as well. Turn on automation, so that's there. I can repeat as well. Low latency I can turn on straight here. I can repeat over here, number 1. If I want to repeat stuff, I can just select and then repeat with number 1. I kind of like now know I've got copy and paste here. I've got delete. I've got open event. So if I want to open events, just open that. I've got piano roll as well. So just bring up the piano roll. Yeah, so I just programmed all that stuff, which is fantastic. This if I want to close my if I want to get rid of this here, I just get rid of that, and if I close this window's closed, I can then bring that back up here with this, and this is all pretty seamless stuff, and it works. I would say 98% of the time there's no bugs. I've never experienced any kind of problems. There might be. I did have one problem with the soft tube because it didn't tell me that it needed to be updated, and I went on and I updated everything and it worked because there was an update went on with Sequoia or something. Anyway, you know, you've got to keep it all up to date for it all to work, I think. And yeah, so that's my setup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't subscribe and don't like. I mean, because no one is at the moment. I don't know what's happening with my channel, but it's a bit weird at the moment. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Ciao.